back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Khumalo, and today's video is going to be something that nobody really talks about. So as you saw by the title, it is the most affordable makeup that I found in my whole life ever. Okay, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about this place that I found. So at Main Reef China Mall, we knew the stores that had things that we were looking for, so we'd always just kind of go to those stores in the mall. And this is like a huge place. I don't know if you've been, but it's a huge Chinatown, and there's so many different shops inside, and there's so many different places that you can get. There's everything. You can get everything there. So we used to go there, not all the time, but we used to go there whenever we had time, because it's just a mission to get in. There's always traffic, it's always full. It's just not a very comfortable space to shop, but nevertheless we went. And so we always stick to the shops that we know. But I think it was 2 weeks ago, if not a whole month ago, I had a party that I had to go to. It was a launch party, and my friend went with me, and she needed an outfit, so we went there to look for anything that she could wear. She found a couple of things, but they were a little pricey, so she ended up not buying anything. But while we were walking around looking for, because we had ample amount of time, it was during the week, so it wasn't that full, so we walked around this entire place, and I stumbled upon this makeup shop. So in terms of makeup, how I work is I am very cautious about what I put on my face, because my face is extremely sensitive. So I'd rather just spend the money on the real stuff from Edgar's and Clicks and Discam, rather than kind of gamble with my face, because I mean, it's my money maker, you know. When we were looking for an outfit for my friend, we stumbled upon this shop. Huge shop. I've never seen it in my life, because we usually just stick to the ones we know. So I see this huge shop, and I walk in, and the first thing that I saw was nail polish, and I don't really do nail polish, so I almost walk out. But when I look to the side, this whole wall has different eyeshadow palettes, and from different international brands. So there's Morphe, there's Kiko, there's Jeffree Star, Anastasia Beverly Hills, like all these things, all these makeup brands that aren't really accessible and that you have to buy from like Instagram stores. So I was like, what? Where did this store come from? The store is called Bling Girl or something like that. It's on the up level. It's called Bling Girl. So many different products. They sell makeup, they sell perfumes, they sell nail products, lots of different nail products. They sell all the face products. I've always been really obsessed with glitter. If you follow me on Snapchat for a while or on Instagram, you know that I'm crazy obsessed with glitter. And so when I went to the store, they have so many different styles of glitter palettes that I was just like, what? So that's what I went into this Chinatown. I picked up almost all the glitters, and the thing is, the prices are so affordable. Nothing is over $100. Everything, all the palettes, they're all like between 35 rand and 75 rand at the most. So these lashes, they're from that store. Let me zoom you in super quickly. Okay, so this is how the lashes look. They're super fluttery, you guys. They're so soft and comfortable on the eyelid. So I'm wearing these ones, and these are the number 26, but I got two more because I went yesterday. Yeah, I went to the China Mall yesterday, and I got two different pairs, and I feel like now that I've found them, and now that I've worn them, and I know that they're super comfortable. I mean, I was sizing them the other day, and I felt them, and they're so soft, and they're amazing. They look like double stacked lashes. So let me just show you. Let me actually open them. So they come in a little clear case like this. I'm not sure what the price is, because the prices are so affordable, you don't really need to look at the price tag. Okay, so this is what they look like. Oh, these not so gorgeous. I mean, I'm gonna try and show you like a clip where I show you like really close up, like the double layering and everything like that. They look stunning. They're so fluttery. They're so wispy. These have little gaps. These have bigger gaps than these. That's the difference between these two, but they're almost identical. How pretty. Like, they're so pretty. And I mean, who's gonna be, there's no label on your lashes, okay? No one's gonna be walking around like scrutinizing what brand you're wearing. So I got those because I saw them and they look fire, so I got them. So the first palette that I bought, just to kind of test it out and see if the store's stuff was good, was this one. It's called the Glitter Eyes Pressed Glitter palette. There's nothing on the back, like there's no ingredients or anything like that, but this is how the front looks. It's all glitter, all of them. Okay, so this is how the palette looks. It's got the clear thing on top, but then at the bottom we've got all the glitters. So this is how it comes. We've got a selection of colors, really pretty ones. That one's super pretty. I've used this before. I wasn't expecting like crazy long stay power with these, but they stay. It stays. It goes on really smooth. It doesn't hurt. You know, glitter hurts, like craft glitter hurts. It doesn't hurt. It slides on really smooth. I just got my glitter brush. I'm gonna dip it in. You don't even have to like really hardly like swipe. You can just swipe the top and you'll get product, like, trust me. And like it moves in whatever direction you put it in, and it stays like that. Like, it flattens out as you rub it in and it stays. Like, look at that. I hope you can see that. I zoomed out, I'm sorry, but it stays like that. It stays on your lid. A few glitter particles may come onto your face as the day goes along. I mean that's normal. So the next one is this one. This one I got recently. It's called Beauty Creations Splash of Glitter. It's got like, this is how it looks. It's got this whole like section at the back, and when you open it up, it's literally heaven. So that is this palette. It's got the name on top as well. Let me show you. There you go. And then it's got all these different colors, and I have some of these colors in the other palette, but I don't have all of them. I mean, look at these blues here at the bottom. I mean, you can skip that one, but look at this one. It's like a teal. Look at that one, and then look at that. Okay, you guys, so that is today's video. Yeah, I just wanted to show you. I know not a lot of people do it, but I really hope that was helpful. I really hope you guys can all go get your glitters if you're obsessed like me. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get my videos sent to your subscription tab. Also, you can click on the little gray bell. Click on it twice or something. Or if you click on it, a little menu pops up and you're supposed to pick like sometimes or all the time. Pick whichever one you want. Like, if you want my notifications sometimes, you can click on that one. But if you want them all the time, then you can click on all the time. So yeah, check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, and Facebook. And I get lots of friend requests on my personal account, but my Facebook page name is Nicole Khumalo YouTube. If you like that page, then you'll get my videos in your feed. That's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.